Test objects were 2 wooden walls and 2 brick walls. One of each group was sprayed with Weihan 41 coating. After the explosion, the uncoated wooden wall split apart and the dummy behind the walls was badly damaged. The wooden wall sprayed with Weihan 41 coating was difficult to be shaken by the explosion. The uncoated brick wall collapsed after the explosion. The brick wall sprayed with Weihan 41 coating remains its original state, which can resist the shock wave and provided effective protection for the dummy.